So you might be in a position where for some reason your Android camera is just very, very blurry. So maybe you're trying to take certain photos or videos, but your camera on your phone is just extremely blurry, and it doesn't matter what you do, you just can't seem to do anything with it. Now, the very first thing I recommend doing, as I always mention, is taking a look at the hardware itself. You want to take a very close look at the camera lenses on the back of your phone, and all you want to do is just make sure that those camera lenses are in good quality, that they're not have a lot of dust and stuff stuck on them, and you want to make sure there's not a lot of fingerprints on them either. So clean out those cameras as much as you can, and a lot of the times that's probably what's going to end up fixing the problem for a vast majority of people. So just go through, clean out these camera lenses, and that's probably what I'd recommend doing, in your specific case as well. Now on top of that, if that doesn't seem to be working, another thing that may end up fixing it for you is if you actually go through and see if there's some sort of camera feature that you're enabling that's causing some issues. Sometimes if you get very close to a subject of your camera, it can kind of change the camera layout a little bit, and it can ruin some things. So I would recommend seeing if you can actually zoom out, like physically zoom out of the camera or zoom into the camera. Because there's so many different lenses on phones nowadays, the lens that you're using may be causing some issues. So try zooming in and out, and that could very well end up fixing the problem too, like I mentioned before. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing that may kind of end up fixing it for you is if you actually go through and hop out of your camera application, close out of it, and then just go back into it. So just close out of the camera and get back into it. You want to see if that ends up working too, which it may end up working for some people. If that doesn't work, you may just want to see if you can restart your phone or update your phone. So if there's an update available, just go straight into your settings application, click on software update, click on download and install, and you want to see if there's an update available. If there is, just update your phone, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.